Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is related to the unclogging or cleaning of pure water filter. So this is the filter mostly people used in rented apartment. Sometimes this does not release the water in a speedy manner. So as you can see, issue is with the filter is having these small holes in the bottom. I'm trying to show you. Okay, so you need to clean these holes under the running water in the kitchen faucet in the way I'm trying to show. So this running water will clean any dirt or small particles from these holes, and I'll show you how after this quick cleaning it will start working. I filled little water in this and you can see it has started releasing the water. Okay, so friends, this is the video. I think it will be useful for your filter cleaning. If you like this information and the tip, please share and subscribe my video. And while cleaning the filter, you can also clean the overall this container by removing the top unit like this. Once you clean it, just fit the filter back to this. Now I will fill the water. As you can see, the speed is quite good this time, and this is the green signal which shows your filters are in good condition. There are two other colors, orange and red, which means you are supposed to change or about to change, right? Right now you need to change or after some time. These are the filters for this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.